Today's video, we're going to be changing this and installing a billet grill in this Suburban. So hopefully you enjoy, and hopefully it looks pretty good. So this is the grill straight off eBay. How much was it, Shane? Oh, well, we don't remember the price because we ordered it about 2 weeks ago. I think it's a 2-piece grill, ain't it? I think it should be a 2-piece for this style grill. If not, we got a GMC grill here. Because I think they 1-piece, ain't they? Oh, God. Do your magic, Shane. This is a billet grill for a Yukon GMC. I would think. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I don't know how he's supposed to look. We have to modify the front, don't we? Do we modify the front on these? You don't know. That's a GMC grill, sir. Oh, we got instructions? That's nice. If you're confused like we are, we got instructions, but I think we'd have to cut this wing to make it work. But I think this is a Yukon grill because most of the built ones I've seen go here. You know, like a 1-piece GMC grill or something. That's what I'm thinking this is. It's just, I might be wrong, but I don't think this grill is for this Suburban.
$94 to $99 GMC Yukon CK pickup Suburban.
What? You got a picture of it?
Huh?
Open the hood. Remove the 4 socket tapping screws on top of the shell. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's these screws here, guys. If you can see. Press down on 3 retaining clips holding the bottom of the shell filler. Each side, remove grill shell. So we need to take the whole grill out of this. Carefully saw out the plastic grill. Rubber air intake section. With a hacksaw blade and handle. Okay. Sand smooth. Mask and paint sanded out area black. Textured coat is better. Center the grill in. The opening edges of the horn on the most first back side of the chrome trim wing. Mark and drill the shell. Attach 2 hole tabs. Supplied in insulation kit. We install grill. Okay. The bolt sizes is 7mm on us. It could be different for yours, especially if it's been changed before, but I'm pretty sure this is factory bolts for this Suburban. Just be mindful, we use 7 here, yours could be different. If it's different, comment below, let the people know that watch it. We found out there's more bolts in the middle here. 2, 1 here and 1 down here looks like. So we are installing this the same way it came out. Basically, because the grill we got over here is for a Yukon, a GMC. Even though it says for 99 Suburban, it don't fit. It could be made to fit a Maverick. I need a Mercedes grill. I think we could install this on the Mercedes. But, you know, it's future content. Let me know if you want to see something like that. But yeah, this will not work. As you can see, it was just mislabeled and Shane accidentally, you know, ordered the wrong thing. But we're going to get the Yukon grill, ain't we, Shane? And we're going to put in this thing because he wants the big bad grill. That's one big piece. He don't want the little strips like I got in that Avalanche. So I'm going to help him throw us back together. Drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.